Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right?
Hey, what's up guys? I have my homemade pizza kit here. Okay, so this is fresh dough that we made. You can see my other YouTube video where I explain how to make that. But if you don't want to go through these hassles, I can put this together for you and you can bake it at your house. So we're gonna go over how to make this today in this video there. That way you have the instructions. Super simple once you have everything together. So I'm cutting out all the dirty work for you right there. First thing we wanna do, crank your oven up as high as it'll go, okay? Mine only goes up to 550. That's pretty much where most ovens stop, but don't be scared to crank it up. Crank it up as high as it'll go. This will give you crispier pizza. It'll cut your cooking time down. The longer that you leave your pizza in the oven, the more it's gonna dry it out, okay? So we're gonna need a pizza pan, or you can use a pizza stone, okay? And then you can use some cornmeal or flour, okay? So what we're gonna do here first is just dust our pan with a little bit of cornmeal, and this will prevent it from sticking here. Okay, if you don't have cornmeal, just a sprinkle of flour will work as well. Just dust it up there. All right, we're gonna take our dough. It's gonna come wrapped right here, okay? So we're gonna take it out of the bag right here. And what I wanna do is I wanna start pinching the corner and letting it drop. Just let gravity do the work and then turn it. Hold it for about 2 seconds, turn. Hold for about 2 seconds, turn. Okay, so just keep doing that. Okay, it's gonna start to stretch it out. So we're really gonna use gravity. What we wanna avoid here is tears. Okay, so you can make this thing as thick or as thin as you want, all right? So just as this thing gets heavier on the bottom, it's gonna start to tear faster. So you can grab it from the middle as it starts to expand. Okay, and you can see I'm actually making finger indentions here. And now it's really starting to stretch out. And like I told you, it's gonna get really fast here. Okay, stretching it out, going more to the middle. A nice even crust here. Okay, I'm rotating back around the other way now. Okay, and if you tear it, no worries, it's still gonna come out great. If it's not a perfect circle, no worries, still gonna taste good going in, okay? So I'm up to about a 10-inch pizza right there. And I'm just gonna keep rotating it. I want a little bit of a bigger pizza. Keeping it going. Once you start to see parts of the dough that you can almost see through, that's about the time it is to stop, okay? So just right here, turning my dough. Okay, getting the edges now. Okay, and it's starting to really stretch out now. I'm starting to see little spots. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the pan. There, so I'm taking up about half my pan here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna use my hands to push out this dough a little bit more. Okay, like I said before, I don't wanna break it. Okay, so I've got it stretched near the corner of the edges, all right? You can fold up your edges if you'd like to get that there. I just like it flat, basic flat. So I'm gonna take my sauce here. Okay, provide about 8 ounces of pizza sauce for you. And I'm just gonna put it out there. Dump that whole thing right in the middle. And you can use a spatula, you can use just the bottom of a spoon. All I'm gonna do is just spread this around the pizza. Okay, even it out a little bit. Now I'm gonna take my cheese, okay, and I wanna evenly sprinkle this around everywhere. Okay, I provide you with mozzarella. So I have 2 containers of cheese here for you. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put my first container of cheese. Now we're gonna take out our pepperonis. Everybody loves a pepperoni pizza. Okay, unless you're vegan or something, okay? And I'm just gonna evenly distribute these out. Okay, nice even distribution there. Okay, and you can overlap them if you want with the extras. It's really up to you. Okay, or you can snack on them. Okay, and now I'm gonna take my second layer of cheese and I'm just gonna throw that over the top. Okay, and I'm gonna wait for my oven to be ready. And then I'm gonna hit it up there, okay? So go ahead and put this on the top shelf. All right, and this is gonna be about maybe 3 to 8 minutes, okay? Just depending on how hot your oven gets. Okay, right there you can see the crust is getting golden brown. We've got some nice leopard spots forming at the top with the cheese. So this bad boy's ready to come out. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out right here. Okay, you can see with the cornmeal, it's not stuck to the bottom. Okay, what I wanna do is give this about 2 to 3 minutes to cool off a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and slice it. What I like to do is slice it in half once, slice the other half, and I'll go quarter slices after that. There. Okay, and if you want to put it back in the box, you can. It's gonna, the pan's still a little hot, so just be careful. Here we go, back in the box. And there you have it, ready to enjoy, homemade pizza kit. Okay, if you want to make the dough yourself, I've got the my dough video in the description here, so you can check that out. If you want to save the hassle, I'll get it to you. Hit me up at Cross Flipper. Shoot me a text if you're in West Texas.